Kufuneka isizo lomuntu wonke emrarweni womnotho wesifundo ongasimuhle. Ngokuya ngembalobalo ze-Stats SA, isibalo sabangasebenziki eGauteng singaphezulu kwesenarha esiku-37%. Kanyakenye, uhulumende weGauteng bekalwisana ne-COVID-19 ebangumonakalo empilweni zabantu. Kanti mva nje, isifundo esisilwisana nokuhlayela kwemisebenzi ngokuthi isihlumisa umnotho.
We have established the Provincial War Room, which brings together government and industry leaders in Gauteng province to drive economic recovery, unlock growth in every sector and create sustainable jobs, as well as supporting the growth of SMMEs.
Umakhura umemezele nokuthi uhlikihle nesiphakamiso sokuthi imisebenzi emalungana nokulungiswa ngobutsha kwesibhedlela iCharlotte Maxeke izokususwa eminyangweni wezemthangalasisekelo eGauteng idluliselwe eminyangweni wezempilo enarha ngemva kokuthi isibhedlela lesi salumatha umlilo ngosihlabantangana nanyakenye. Kanti-ke ichayisene imbono enihlangano ezahlukahlukeneko zepolitiki malungana nenkulumo kaMakhura.
Is the question of accountability. We think that the Premier was able to blow by blow tell us what was the commitment in the last state of the address and how far are they in terms of progress, conceding in areas where the provincial government has failed.
And little implementation, very little to report on what has actually been done. This is very much some of the same, very disappointing.
You should have today told the people of Gauteng and say no, I'm removing MEC Tasneem Mutara, then I'm putting so and so, to show that is concerned about the department.
There was a mismatch because I did not see any emergency measures put in place to deal with the new pandemic, which is unemployment of young people.
And we have a strong belief that DID must be disbanded, that in various departments, like education for instance, they must be able to deal with their own infrastructure needs, and that will be more effective.
Ekuzibopheleleni kwakhe ekusebenzeleni umphakathi weGauteng, uMakhura ukhetha abolosine nabolesihlanu njengamalanga okuhlola bona mbala zenziwa na inthembiso zikahulumende esifunda.